Hello, dear friends. I hope everyone is doing good. My today's words are about kindness. Kindness is a word related to love, compassion, and empathy. It is not only a word in action, it is a big role in each individual. It is very rare to see kind attitude among us. It is in each soul, very deeply, but all over schedules, it's deep beneath in us. Reason is no time to think about others, even in same house. People used to say about a character, one who has kind act towards others, but fail to do from their side. It shows necessary to point out others and not to develop such attitude in us. It is an unknown act. In simple words, better can do follow good things that we cross. Could develop that source in self. Kindness is there in every human. Nowhere to search it. It is a simple care and support shown to other human organisms. When it happens to see a puppy on the way in a rainy day, we can protect and care it. For example, around my place, there are so many poor people living on roadside. Every evening, small kids used to come in streets to get food and clothes. They could see the human minds. 2 or 3 days they distributed their balance and excess food. As they continued, it made to shout on them not to come over. Value of kindness is measured. Giving food and clothes is not kindness. One mind could be able to know another heart's feel and difficulties. Using our positive terms and supporting shoulder touches enough to be kind. Every soul expects for a hold of support for their hearts and pain. Needs guidance to realize from worry and tears. Only positive words and a caring sight with the hands holded will be expected from one human mind to get kindness. It tells that mind of pains that a ear there to listen and guide. Even if it's not reached the success point, that support roots and stables them to step good in simple living. You all would have visited orphanages and old age homes. It is nothing they are going to earn from our visit, but they are fulfilled in our visit tells them somebody there to see them. Someday with old clothes makes happy that those clothes are new for them. Biscuits and snacks tells to old people, visitors and distributors are their daughters and son. It's all gives them to see only the love and empathy. It is sure that not only empathy, it is a great love and hold which is kindness. I do not know how many people used to be regular to orphanage and homages. It seeks minds that to expect our love and hold in regular, but different in visitors or different. So, dear friends, be the love showers and hold its support with your positive and caring words to everyone you cross by. This can be to our own mom, dad, child, partner, friends, and their family, neighbors, colleagues, whoever be around us. Develop and showers to each one we cross by. Only thing we could earn in our life is pure love and soul. Be the one in that kind soul. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.